So guys, welcome to my vlog. Maghuli pala kami guys ng dalag guys, gamit ang kawil. 5 kawil yan guys. Yan yung una guys na ilalagay guys. Unang kawil guys. Pangalawang kawil guys, ilalagay na ni Binhor. Okay guys, pangalawang kawil yan. Pangatlong kawil guys, dyan namin ilalagay guys. Okay. So guys, pangapat na yan guys na kawil guys. Dito na namin nilagay sa ibang bakante.
One eternity later.
So guys, andito na kami guys. Binalikan na namin guys yung tatlong kawil namin guys. Ito guys. So guys, titingnan namin guys kung may huli ba guys. Yan si Binhor guys. Meron guys. May huli. Hito na naman guys. Hito. Hito guys, yung huli. Pwede na guys, hito. So guys, yung pangalawang kawil guys, walang huli. Tsaka doon, wala din yung pangatlo. So guys, dito kami guys, sa pangapat guys. Titingnan namin kung may huli ba guys. Walang nagbago guys, parang walang huli. Iangat mo nga hor. Wala, walang huli guys. Sa panglima guys, parang wala guys, walang huli. Walang huli guys. So guys, pauwi na kami guys. Sa 5 kawil, isa lang may huli guys. Pakita. Ito lang guys. Thank you guys sa panonood.